How to fix touchscreen not working on any iPad. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
What you want to do is go over to your settings application, which is going to look like this, and you might be in something different like airplane mode or general accessibility or anything. Make sure you go to general, and then I'm just going to enlarge the screen right now. And basically when you're in general, all you want to do is scroll all the way down, and you're going to see right at the bottom is going to be an option to go ahead and shut down. So if you go ahead and click on that, you're going to be on this page, and all you want to do is then just go ahead and slide to power off. So slide it all the way fully, and then it's just going to shut down, and then all you got to do is press the power button again at the very top, and then it's just going to turn on again. Now maybe your iPad is completely frozen or something, so you want to reset it with the buttons. It's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. So as you can see, I have the power button at the very top, and then I have the volume buttons. So what I want to go ahead and do is I want to long press the power button and the volume button together. Once I do, it's going to be on this page. But what I want to do actually is literally just keep holding it down until the screen just turns fully black. So just keep it held just like so. And then eventually after about 15 to 20 seconds, it's going to completely shut down. And it's especially going to do this if your phone is or your iPad is completely frozen. Okay, so I've held it down for about 15 seconds more, and now it's completely black. So now I can just let go of the volume buttons and the power buttons together to ignore the dust on the screen. And now what I want to go ahead and do is literally after about 15 or 20 seconds of it being black, just go ahead and press your power button again. So once you hold it down, you're eventually going to go ahead and see the Apple logo on the iPad, and now it's going to be turning on again,